Let's see how to fix the Microsoft Office couldn't install error. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Alright, the first step is to go to Google and then go to the link in the description. Now click here. Click on Download. Now we'll create a new folder on the desktop and we'll name it Office. Now drag what we downloaded into that folder and run it. Then we'll select the folder we just created to extract the files. Once that's done, we'll delete this, and this one too. Alright, now let's go to the second link I'll leave in the description. Click on Office Suites, and click on this one. Then click on Next. Export. And select Office Open XML formats. In file name, we'll leave it as Configuration, and finally click on Export. Now drag the configuration file into the folder. Now open CMD as administrator. Also open the folder and copy its path. Now type cd and paste the folder path, and press enter. Now type setup/configuration.xml. And press enter, and that's it. Thanks for watching.